All right, welcome back everyone. So today's tip, 3 strategies which will enable you to save money on shipping. So if you've got an Amazon business right now, maybe you're thinking about starting an Amazon business or an import-export business, importing products from China, then 3 quick strategies. First strategy is if you are doing containers, these things right here, make sure it's full. All right, there's something called LCL, which stands for less than container load. It means basically you don't have a lot, you don't have the container full. So that's actually bad because it's costing you money. So make sure that your container, when you do ship it from China, make sure it is full, that it actually does, it's packed to the brim. And it's going to be the most cost-effective strategy, having a full container. But if you can't fill it, the second strategy is get 3 buddies. Find 3 buddies who are importers, or who have an Amazon business, or selling stuff on Shopify, or maybe they're drop shipping, whatever. You know, find 3 buddies, 3 people, 3 students. What tends to happen is I've got students of mine that end up, they share containers. So I have maybe 3 or 4 or 5 students who don't have enough to fill a complete container. What they do is they get these containers, right? And they all put their stuff in the container and they fill it up, right? That's one way of doing it. And that's what you would do if you don't have enough. Share with 3 buddies or 3 other of my students, right? And then that way you've got the full container. So you save a whole bundle on shipping. The last strategy is, of course, one of, I would say, the most important strategies, right? Is amalgamate your stuff. So maybe you got stuff from Shanghai, some stuff maybe from Beijing, maybe some stuff from Shenzhen. You might have some products coming in maybe from Yiwu, right? What you don't want to be shipping stuff from each of those cities. You want to amalgamate it. So put 3, the Shanghai stuff, send it to maybe Shenzhen, right? And your Yiwu stuff, send it to Shenzhen. So it all gets sent to one place, then it gets loaded on the container, then it gets sent to your place. That's the best way of really saving money. Just putting it all in one place and then putting it on the container then and there. That's the best way of saving money. Same thing with regards to shipping, flying things over, right? I fly a lot of stuff over by DHL and FedEx. Same thing. I set it all to Hong Kong usually, and I fly it from Hong Kong directly to Australia or to America, depending on where my customers are. So keep that in mind, guys. Amalgamate it. So the 3 strategies you learned today is fill the container. You do not want to come by LCL, less than container load. Second strategy, find 3 buddies, or use my students, right? Go through them and share the container, right? Best way of saving money. Last strategy is amalgamate and group all your products together, ship it over together. Have an awesome day, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Alex Ryan. I've been doing this now for about 10 years. I've imported from China. I've imported I've actually sold 30 different products just in the last 6 months. I've tried 30 different products. I'm always importing stuff. I'm always trying new products, and importing is actually a really fun thing to do. Like, I love actually seeing these containers down the docks here. I love looking at this stuff because every time I see this stuff, I think profit. I don't see dirty 20-footers or 40-foot high queues. I see profit. I see products. I see in the 40-foot high queue over there, right? I see about 400 of my products being fit in there, which equate to roughly about $80,000 profit, right? So I see a lot of opportunity in importing, and there's going to be a lot more. It's one of the oldest businesses around, guys. So that's it for me. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. If you know somebody that's wanting to start an import-export business, maybe they're looking to start an Amazon business, please share this video, comment below on this video, share the love. My goal is to help a lot of people this year to get started with their importing business, to help them along the way. I've got a free video program at my website where I sort of go through the strategies to getting started, to choosing the right products, to basically shipping your goods over, to finding good suppliers and selling your products, whether it's Amazon, eBay, Shopify, or the whole shebang. I teach it all. So guys, have an awesome day. Talk to you real soon. This is Alex Ryan signing out.